Hi everyone, check out the Yeeaak Deep Wave Lace Front Human Hair Wig for a stunning look. This 100% Brazilian virgin hair is soft, bouncy, and has a full 180% density. The HD transparent lace blends perfectly with all skin tones for a natural hairline. You can easily bleach, straighten, or curl this wig to fit your personal style. It features a glueless design with adjustable straps, making it perfect for beginners to install. Use it for birthday parties, travel, or a professional look at work. Enjoy a luxurious and healthy glow with these beautiful deep curly waves today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.